Glaciers in China are melting at alarming speed, while 1,200 new cars hit Beijing Road every day. Chimneys are still pumping out smoke from some of Beijing's nearby factories. But carbon emission doesn't just stay within China. President of the European Commission, Manuel Barroso, wants action. Barroso didn't come to China just to cut ribbons for a climate change exhibition. He came to pass on his concerns to the Chinese government and ask for more cooperation.
The main topic of the talks today were about climate change and sustainable development. There is a real urgency there. The future of our planet is at stake. There are real risks for the quality of life in our planet for future generations. We have no more time to lose.
China has already overtaken the United States as the world's top emitter of carbon dioxide. Barroso came to Beijing to start his busy 3-day visit on April 24th. High on his agenda is urging the Chinese government to do more on climate change, human rights, and the huge trade imbalance. Barroso delivered the message to the Chinese Premier Wen Jiabao in person. After the United States, the European Union is now setting up a mechanism for high